To add the payment method on Crypto.com, follow these steps. Log into your Crypto.com account. Open the Crypto.com app or go to the Crypto.com website and log in with your credentials. Access the Accounts tab. Once logged in, go to the Accounts tab on the bottom navigation bar of the app or the top of the menu on the website. Navigate to Payment Methods. In the Accounts section, tap on Fiat Wallet or select the Payment Methods option. Add Payment Method. Tap Add Payment Method to choose your preferred payment option. Crypto.com supports various methods, including bank transfer, credit or debit card, PayPal, and crypto transfer. Enter payment information. For credit or debit card, input your card details. For bank transfer, provide your bank account details. For other options, follow the on-screen instructions. Verification process. Some methods may require verification, such as providing a one-time PIN or small deposit verification. Save and confirm. Once you've entered your payment details, save the method. You'll be able to use it for depositing funds or purchasing crypto on Crypto.com.